Good morning, Theodore Roosevelt High School. I'm Cora Allen.
And I'm Max Urich.
And these are your morning announcements for Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. Spring is here, which means election season is beginning. That's right, it's time to begin Theodore Roosevelt High School's Spring Election 2024 process. If you are interested in running to be a class officer, student council president, or student council representative, join the Student Council 2023-2024 Google Classroom today. All information, forms, and deadlines are shared in that Google Classroom.
Attention all students interested in trying out for the 2024 to 2025 cheer team. Cheer clinics will be held today and tomorrow from 3 to 5 p.m. Tryouts are Friday, April 19th in the auxiliary gym.
Hey riders, it's time to announce this week's PBIS ride winners. Congratulations to today's winners. Luke Haney,
Leona Chambers,
Loyal Lipkins,
Eli McAllister,
and staff member Mrs. Donaldson. Ride with pride, Rough Riders, and congratulations.
Seniors, today is the last day for prom court nominations. The ballot is open through 1 p.m. today. Prom court members will be announced at the end of the day. Voting for prom king and queen will take place tomorrow and Friday.
These have been your morning announcements for Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. Have a wide-eyed Wednesday, Roosevelt!